So hey guys, Josh Cantwell, CEO at strategicrealestatecoach.com. Welcome back. And in this training video, I want to walk you through 6 simple and easy steps that we use to successfully rehab properties over and over and over again. And we're actually using those 6 steps inside of this property on Detroit Road in Rocky River. So let me walk you through the property. We're standing here in the living room, and one of the things we're gonna do is we're gonna rip out all this entire wall because people love open concept floor plans. So we're gonna open all that up so you have big living room, big dining room, and a wide open kitchen. Now this property is gonna be 4 beds and 3 baths when we're all done with it. But one of the coolest features is this back sunroom. So this is gonna add about 250 square feet to the property. But the thing that's great about it is the view out back onto a massive half an acre lot. I was able to acquire this property for $165,000 from a direct mail campaign to a tired landlord list. We're putting about $65,000 to $70,000 into it. We'll be all in for about $230,000, and we're gonna list it and sell it in about 60 to 90 days from now, put it on the market for $329,900, leaving us a $75,000 profit. Up the steps, there's 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and there's a bonus extra room we're gonna turn into an amazing master suite. On the first floor, in addition to the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen, there's also a 3rd bedroom and its own bathroom. We're adding a full 1,000 square foot finished basement with a living room, a 4th bedroom, a 4th bathroom, and laundry room. It's gonna be an amazing finished basement that walks out to an incredible patio and an amazing backyard. So our 6 steps to rehab a house starts with step number 1, demolition. We've got to demo the kitchen, rip out all the old cabinets, all the old countertops, get rid of the bad appliances and all the old fixtures. Of course, we got to demo the bathrooms. Then we got to remove all the old outdated fixtures like ceiling fans and lighting. We've got to tear down all the walls and really demo everything. What you can save though typically is the windows. Of course, try to save the siding, try to keep the garage doors. Of course, we wanna save any kind of stainless steel appliances, and when we replace the appliances, we're gonna replace them with all stainless steel. Save the bathtubs if you can, save the hardwood floors if you can, and refinish them. And make a list of what you're keeping with your contractor and tear out everything else so you're on the same page. Then step number 2 is to repair and replace all the old mechanicals and utilities. Make sure you hire a great electrician and plumber. Our electricians on average will cost us about $50 an hour. So to rewire a whole house will cost $2,000 to $3,000 depending on the size of the home. We want them to check all the outlets, all the panels, all the breakers, make sure we update the breaker panel. Plumbers, again, on average about $50 an hour. The plumber, of course, is gonna check all the water lines, all the drains, and just make sure that anything that needs to be replaced is set up for those new appliances and new systems to go in. Then in step number 3, you're gonna put all the walls back together. So once all the electrical and plumbing is in and it's all inspected and signed off by the local building department, then you can repair and replace all the drywall. So we're gonna put in all the drywall, we're gonna hang all the drywall, then we're gonna prepare it for paint. A drywall finisher, about $500 to maybe $750 to finish all the drywall for texturing and get it ready for painting. So step number 4 is simply to paint. Make sure you give your painter the run of the house. They can paint the doors, obviously the kitchens, the baths, all the drywall, sometimes the ceilings. That paint could take about a week to 2 weeks, again, depending on the size of the home. And you figure it's gonna be about $1 to $2 per foot just for labor, and another $1 to $2 per foot for paint. So if you're 2,000 square feet, could be anywhere between $4,000 to $8,000 to paint the entire house. Step number 5 is to install everything, and this is really the fun and easiest part where the whole house comes back together. So you're gonna reinstall everything, including the lights, the cabinets, the countertops, the flooring, the appliances, the windows, the vents, the outlets, everything that goes into the kitchen and the baths, the backsplash, the granite, you name it, it's all going in at the same time. And finally, step number 6 is where we come in and finish everything off. It's all the finish work. We're gonna double check all the landscaping and add plants and mulch, make sure the grass is cut and trimmed, pressure wash the house, the gutters. Also, the roof can pretty much be done at any time throughout the process, but you wanna make sure that the roof is all taken care of and pressure washed if you're not gonna replace the roof. And finally, clean everything out, stage, and get ready to sell. So you can do this, and you can outsource everything just like we did in this property. All you have to have is a system. And in order to use our system and learn more about our systems, go ahead and get registered. And you'll not only learn this system, but all of our other systems to successfully doing deals. Go ahead and get registered now.